Hello friend, welcome back to the channel. This morning I was alerted that Bad Boys 4, the new movie, will begin its filming in South Florida today. Today it's filming in Fort Lauderdale. Many of the areas that it's filming in I've covered earlier in previous videos. I understand that it's also going to film later this week in downtown Miami and the Brickell area. Will Smith posted on his social media account that not only he's in town, but he felt that this was a great start to a busy week of filming. I have included the link below of not only the news story, but also it would include Will Smith's video from his social media. Are very interested in South Florida as a movie backdrop? Stay tuned. Subscribe, like, share. Ring the bell for future notifications because there will be updates. I look forward to seeing you soon. The area that you're looking at now is one of the areas that is being blocked off for the movie. Because it's being blocked off, it's a great indicator that this is going to be the scenes of some of the movie that will be shot in Fort Lauderdale. Earlier, maybe a couple of months ago, when Fort Lauderdale was doing some renovation. So this is just a heads up to the impact that movies can make in an area in which they're shot. It's a big economic boost. Subscribe, share, like, ring the bell, because there will be updates. I look forward to seeing you soon.